Login loop error on CIBC US Fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on your CIBC US mobile app or website, you're not alone. Many users report that after entering their credentials, the app just reloads and sends them straight back to the login page. But here's the surprising truth: this isn't usually caused by your password. A login loop often happens when the app's stored data or your browser's cookies become corrupted. It can also occur if your device's time settings are off or your internet connection is unstable. Luckily, this is an easy fix once you know what's going on. First, if you're using the mobile app, close it completely, don't just minimize it. Then go to your device's settings, find apps, select CIBC US and choose storage. Tap clear cache and clear data. This wipes old session files that can trigger the in this loop. Next, open the app again and manually enter your username and password. Avoid using autofill or saved password for this step. If you normally use Face It or fingerprint login, disable it temporarily until you've successfully logged in once. If you're logging in from a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Then reload the page and try again. You should also make sure your device's date and time are set to automatic. Even a small time mismatch can cause a failed authentication attempt. And here's a key tip most people overlook. If you're using a Fing or a private connection, turn it off. CIBC security systems may block connections that appear to come from outside the US, which can break the login process. Finally, make sure your app or browser is updated to the latest version. Old software can conflict with new server updates and cause looping errors. Once you follow these steps, you should be able to log in smoothly again. So the next time your CIBC US app keeps looping, remember, it's not your password. It's your settings, your cache, or your connection. Fix those and you'll regain access to your account in minutes.